What is n8n? So you have to know what is n8n. n8n is an open source low code platform empowering both non-coders and developers, right? So you can unlock the workflow efficiency with n8n. n8n is a open source workflow automation tool. n8n visually connects different apps and services using a node-based editor, low-code platform enabling automation without complex programming, which flexible visual builder to design and customize workflow. And you can connect, maximum connectivity is there with the Google Sheets, AI models, and it supports both self-hosting and cloud services. And we will discuss about the self-hosting here. Based on your deployment can be based on infrastructure preferences. Deployment flexibility is there. So now we will just see about the self-hosting kind in n8n. Welcome to this video. As I have already said that n8n is a self-hosted automation tool. So automation app or anything like that. So people will have some doubt, what is self-hosting, right? Self-hosting is nothing but maintaining an app or a website or any services in your control, not going with a third-party provider. Having a private network, private server and hosting on that and maintaining on your own and not depending on any third-party app developers or anything like that. So n8n has an advantage of self-hosting, and the thing is it can be self-hosted in n8n itself, but it is very costly. That annually, monthly they will charge around 24 euros, and 1 euro comes around 100 rupees in Indian money. So you can just calculate like 24 euros. You can calculate as 24 euro to INR. It comes around 2,500 rupees per month. So it is not affordable for most of the Indians, and even though it is affordable for certain people, you can restrict only around 2,500 workflow executions, and only you can share only single projects, and that this is not easy and this is not convenient for us. So what can we do? There are n number of VPS providers in the market, but I will prefer to go with Hostinger. The Hostinger has a VPS, and the charges for that VPS is very low. That is 400 rupees per month. You can buy a monthly plan or else you can buy a yearly plan. And the most important thing is you can go for unlimited workflows. This is only 2,500 workflows, and you can go for unlimited workflows. You can choose any plan in that, and if you go for this Hostinger plans, it will be cheap and it is affordable, and you can execute unlimited workflows. So go for Hostinger thing. And how we have to go is just log in and go for KVM VPS, right? And just go over there. It opens, and after it's getting opened, it will ask for the server. Next, in OS, just type n8n. That's it. Select it and you give a password. That's it. It will get access to the email of this n8n server, will get connected over there. It's a very easy process. I have given the link in the description of Hostinger. You can go over there and you can purchase and you can use it and you can see how it works. And before that, you can go for a free credits they will give. But I will recommend to go with Hostinger. It is cheap and affordable, and if you want to work, you don't want to become an employee, you can become a CEO of a SaaS thing by going with n8n. So just go for it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Hi, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to create a AI image viral ads. So I'll just show you how this process works and you will get an idea about it, right? I'm just clicking executing workflow. I have just created a image, right? And I'll show you the image also. Just a second. So this is the image what we have created via ChatGPT. Now I have uploaded that image. 60% off, and I am submitting it. And now so it's running. The image has been uploaded. It's going according to the Google Sheets. I'll show you how to do that one, and in the Telegram will get created. Meanwhile, I'll just provided you the themes of the images, right? It's mountain cabin, whatever you want you can create according to that, right? So in an open API it has been created and now it's done. So if we check our Telegram, you can see a image of a moisturizer with 60% off, right? Done. So a viral image, AI image viral ad has been created, right? And it has been displayed here. If you want, you can do any n number of images you can upload and it will get the images in Telegram. The second one what we have done, Hema Fairness Serum, that also has been done with 60% off. If you want to change the theme, you can just do that also. So 5 images has been created. So now I'm just stopping it, and now I'll go with the execution has been stopped, and I'll go with the Fairness Serum 75% off. I am submitting here. So it is creating 2 images. One is vintage cafe, one is government restaurant theme, and if you want, I'll just right. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 images will be created. Right, it's done, and you can check this in the open with file, and it has been created, right? So Hema Fairness Serum with a different output, it has been created. With the restaurant theme, right? So I have stopped. So now let's talk about how this works. You have to find out how this kind of things works, and I have stopped it. So first you have to go create an on form submission form here, and already the test URL will be there. Authentication none. Name this form as image. Please provide a photo of the product without tracking so that we can apply the selected motifs. Right. The form elements, the first form element is data, file and JPEG. So the image has been uploaded. Tagline, as you already said, 60% off, something like that. And the form is submitted. No option is created. The first node is finished. The second one, what we are going to do is, you have to upload the image, so you can view the image here. So the uploaded image is there. The method of HTTP is, it's not get, it's post. And here we are going to place a URL from Cloudinary. So just go to Cloudinary, right, and click home, and in home you can see this is the cloud name. So this here api.cloudinary.com/v/1dg7cr, this one is enough. You just take this one and remove this one and place your cloudinary.com ID. Just sign up. After you sign up, you can see this one here in home. Just copy it and place it over here, right? Send body. Form data is n8n binary file. Name of the file data. Form data is upload preset, and value you just make it as n8n automation. So here you have just made a Cloudinary ID. Here upload preset is fine. Here how we have to take this value of this form data is, just go to n8n Cloudinary, right, and then you have to go to settings, right. Here click upload, add a upload preset, right. Click here, name some name as n8n_automation or any name, make it as unsigned, right. Save this one, and this upload preset name what you have given. For example, I will set as n8n AI, right, or n8n_AI, and then save it and copy this. I'll just save this one, and you can copy this and place it over here, right. And then comes the Google Sheets. Here in Google Sheets, I'll provide you the image idea, that is the theme. It can be mountain theme or anything. You just click here, make a copy of this and place it over there. Name it in your style, and now you can Google Sheets account, connect with sheet with document, get rows, image idea sheet 1, and just put in filters status, and value is to create, and done. You have connected the Google Sheets over there. Any theme if you want, you can just make it skip. You can just click it and make it as create and do according to the theme. So next one is loop over control. Loop over control back size is 1 is enough, right. So options, you don't need to add any options, right. So HTTP, that is post. The previous one what we saw is HTTP is post, now we are getting is get, and now this upload image item URL is here, and where we will get this upload image item URL is go to a templates. What I have done, upload image URL, just copy here and paste it there, right? So URL is placed, that's it. And then we are just going for creating an image, and after this again post predefined credential type, connect with your open API and your API key, form data is prompt, and make sure the product is fine over here, right? And just copy this JSON prompt, and we have already done it over here. And see here, just copy this prompt, make sure this product is centered and taglines, and just copy it and paste it over here. So after converting a file has been done, data 0b.b64 JSON is also given here, right? And after that, make it connected to the Telegram. And the most important thing, many people will be confused how to connect to the Telegram. Just type bot father, create a bot, and then after that the access code will be there. Just go inside it, and you can, if you just create a new credential, the access code, you can just paste it, it will get connected. Very simple process. And many of the guys will be very confused about the chat ID, how to get this chat ID. Nothing, that is also very easy thing. Just go to the bot father here, slash, copy this access code, right? This is the access code what actually I shouldn't show the access code, right? Just go there, click this one, paste it in the Chrome, right? .add.telegram.bot, place the access code and updates, you get the chat ID. After that, we are just placing a flow, since anything happens, just to connect to the Google Sheets. So this is how creating a normal image into viral ads has been done. And this process, you can just make it as an app, and you can also sell it, or else you can just sell it to the AI agents, right? So let's create the AI image viral ads, and you can just make it as an app, and you can also connect with the web app. So thank you for watching this video, and we will see in the next video. Thank you.